today we are going to be unboxing / opening this case, the Dockem Own Your Space case for iPhone 12 mini, and I believe it will also fit iPhone 13 and 14 mini. Not too sure about the 14, but I know that the 12 and the 13 are identical, so that should work perfectly. The reason why I bought this case is because I did lose my wallet a few weeks ago, and I think I am done buying wallets. So what I'm gonna do now is just use this case for my phone and carry maybe just my ID and one credit card in the little pocket. So let's go ahead and open this. And it comes with a little insert of styrofoam. This is the inside of the case, which seems to be made out of some velvet material, and the case feels pretty good, not too hard. It's kind of like it flexes, so it feels soft on the hand. Yeah, it comes with this little support card information pamphlet thing. Promotional material. These two materials do feel different. I'm not sure if they are different or not, but they do feel different on the hand. This one sounds like this. This one sounds like that. This one has more of like a fiber material. This feels more like leather plastic material. So now let's try it and see how the phone fits in the case. Okay, there it goes. You can see how the bottom fits, and the buttons feel good. They're working. Space to reach the... This is how the camera will look, and I guess it's gonna take a while to get used to it, because I was already so used to this other case that I had. This just feels different, but doesn't feel bad. It feels good. And let's see. It does seem that when I did drop the phone, the phone kind of does want to come out of the case. Hopefully that doesn't happen when I drop my phone for real on the street, because I do feel like it doesn't give you that protection at the bottom that this other case had. This had a rubber piece that went along it, and this one doesn't really have that. But moment of truth, let's see if this will hold a credit card or two. For that I have these two cards here. Let's see, let's try this one. Okay, that one went in. And that one went in too. Pretty snug though. Pretty snugged in there. You can even see how it makes like a bump. You can see how it's stretching that pocket. But they do fit, both of them. That's all I needed for my ID and one credit card. And let's see how hard it is to take out, because I read some reviews that they said that it was really hard to take out in Amazon reviews. And no, it's pretty easy, pretty chill. So far so good. I like it. First impressions are that I like it. I don't know how well it will protect my phone. I am hoping that it will do a good job, but we will not know until I drop the phone, and I'm not about to do that right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.